Our next point is azeotropic mixtures are simply called as azeotropes. Only non-ideal solutions they can form azeotropic mixtures or azeotropes. What are azeotropic mixtures or azeotropes? For example, 95.6% ethyl alcohol means 95.6% ethyl alcohol and remaining 4.4% is water. This mixture is as an example for non-ideal solution with positive deviation. So, in this particular mixture, boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius separately, boiling point of ethyl alcohol is 78.4 degrees Celsius. When these two components are in this particular composition, they can show a common boiling point, that is 78.2 degrees Celsius. Means, if you take 95.6% ethyl alcohol, you can't separate this mixture by using simple distillation method, because at 78.2 degrees Celsius, both water and ethyl alcohol can be vaporized. That means, this composition is not only in liquid state or that continue in vapor state also. That is why in this particular composition, we can't separate water from ethyl alcohol by using simple distillation. Now, one more important point is, here this is non-ideal solution with positive deviation, shows common boiling point which is near to lower boiling point here. That is why this is called lower boiling point mixture. Here value is near to lower boiling point. That is why this is called lower boiling point azeotrope. Now come to other example here, that is 68% nitric acid solution by mass. Here 68% nitric acid and 32% water. This mixture shows negative deviation, that is non-ideal solution. At this particular composition, this mixture is showing common boiling point, that is 120.4 degrees Celsius, which is near to higher boiling point here. The boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius, boiling point of nitric acid is 83 degrees Celsius, but here common boiling point is 120.4 degrees Celsius. That is why this mixture is called higher boiling point mixture. That means, non-ideal solutions with positive deviations at certain compositions are called lower boiling point mixtures. Non-ideal solutions with negative deviations at particular composition shows, or they are called higher boiling point mixtures. This is regarding azeotropic mixtures or azeotropes.